Communication isn't a soft skill, it's an operating system. If it's buggy, everything lags. Projects stall, trust dips, good ideas die in drafts. Here's the problem I see in teams. Too many messages, not enough meaning. We DM what should be documented. We meet when an email would do. We assume alignment because no one spoke up. So here's a clean fix I use. Intent. Clarity channel loop. Intent. Start by stating why you're communicating and the decision you want. Sharing context. Seeking a go, no-go, requesting help. One line, up top. Clarity. Right for skimming. Bullets, bolded asks, one owner, one deadline. Cut 30% of words. If it's not needed, it's noise. Channel. Match the message to the medium. Urgent, das inbounders call. Complex, das inbounder doc. Alignment. Ga short meeting with a clear agenda. Status, Gras async update. Loop, close the loop. Confirm decisions, document them, make next steps visible. No orphaned action items. Proof this works? I rolled this into a cross-team launch last quarter. We replaced a weekly 60-minute meeting with a 5-minute Friday async update, a living doc for decisions, and a 15-minute blocker bus stand-up only when needed. Result: time spent communicating dropped 28%. Decision latency fell from 3 days to 1. We hit our deadline without weekend work. A couple of quick habits. Start messages with intent. End with owner, when. If a thread hits 3 back and forths, switch channels. In meetings, end with decision, owner, deadline, where it's documented. Great communication isn't louder, it's sharper. Try the framework this week on one project. Measure time saved and decision speed. If it works, scale it. If it doesn't, tune it. Then document the new rule so everyone wins. Make your operating system faster and watch the work follow.